Hey, what's up guys? Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today is a special day and I want to share it with you guys, and I'm also super grateful because today we reached one of the milestones for my channel. So stick around. Back in April 2016 I started my channel. I uploaded my first video. It was me riding my old 97 RM250. It was actually my first dirt bike. So just to give you a little bit of backstory, I got a first dirt bike just a year before I started my channel. And I already knew how to ride bikes, I knew how to work on the bikes. I had bikes pretty much my whole life, but I never had a dirt bike. And that was my first dirt bike just a year before I started the channel. Maybe a little bit more than a year and a half maybe. And you know, I had the bike and I was riding it. Then I bought the RMZ 450. Then I bought a bike for my son. I bought another YZ 125. So I got 4 bikes and I was riding with some of my friends, and I just loved it. I loved the feeling I had on the bike, and I felt like I discovered something super cool because I haven't been on a dirt bike before, right? So I wanted to share this passion and I wanted to do the more than just riding. So that's why I decided to make a YouTube channel. And you know, my take on the channel was that I am just one of you guys. I'm exactly the same as many of you. I'm the guy who loves the dirt bikes. I don't really have a lot of disposable cash. I can't really afford buying brand new bikes, but I still want to ride. I still want to have fun. I still want to improve. So I think I'm in the same shoes as many of you. So also that's one of the reasons I think that you guys are watching the channel. So I'm just one of you guy with a dirt bike. The only difference between us might be that I record it on a camera and put it on a YouTube. So that's that's pretty much, I think, the only difference between many of you and me. But you know, in the core, we are the same guys who love dirt bikes. And when I started the channel, I had this one. I had many goals, but one of them was that one day, if the channel grow enough and I you know, gain some credibility with the bigger companies, that people will see my channel as a good way to, you know, to maybe show their products too. I wanted to approach a manufacturer of a dirt bike, and I wanted to get a brand new dirt bike for the review for some time. And it seems so far, when I started my first video, it seems so far that, you know, somebody would actually agree to give me a brand new dirt bike, $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 value dirt bike. But today, after 3 years of me playing around with those videos, today after 3 years, you guys and me, we are going to pick up a brand new 2019 dirt bike. And I'm really grateful and humbled that we got to this point. So thanks a lot guys, because you have a big portion in reaching this goal. ...2019 450 Sherco Factory Edition. Man, I gotta tell you, this bike looks beautiful. Look at that. It's so different than everything else that we have on the market here in America, right? And I'm really excited to take it for a ride and to different terrains, you know, and be able to share my opinion with you guys. You know, we are in my garage, and there used to be Husaberg 450. Yeah, there used to be. If you don't follow my Instagram, you don't know that I sold the bike. I sold it just a couple days ago because I knew that I'm getting this Sherco 450, which is you know, kind of in the same category bike. It's a 450 off-road bike, and I knew that I'm gonna keep it for some time, and I knew that I'm not gonna have enough time to ride all these bikes. And I sold my Husaberg, so it went to Las Vegas, to a really good home. And now I have this Sherco in the garage. I'm really, you know, pumped to have it. Because before this bike came to me, it was for some time with Vital MX. They did a 450 shootout. They had a KTM, Husky, Yamaha FX 450, and I think a Honda. And this bike, 5 of them, they did riding all over the SoCal here, and just did comparison and stuff like that. What I want to do, I just want to take it on the ride, on the trails I know, you know, go on some single track, go on something a little faster, maybe even go on my backyard track, maybe take it to the motocross track, because this is something like XCF, that kind of bike in that category. So you should be able to do some jumping with this thing, and you know, should be able to ride like this cross country racing kind of riding. So definitely in my next 2 videos we'll look closer on every single detail on this bike, because this is a FX model. It comes with a lot of good stuff, and then we'll just take it for a ride, for a few rides, and I'll be more than happy to share my feedback with you guys. Alright guys, well, I guess that's about it for today. I'm super pumped and stoked that this bike is in my garage. As I said, this is the very first time that Dirt and Iron is getting directly from the manufacturer Sherco. I talked to these guys directly. So Sherco, thanks a lot for this opportunity. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna review this bike and give you guys my, you know, best opinion I have about the product, about the company. So far, I like the look. I like the details. They really didn't spare, you know, any expense on the details. Like everything here is really well made, and these are the companies like for example Nexin triple clamp, and Golfer brake, Rotor's Brembo brakes, and Akrapovic exhaust, so stuff like that. They didn't really spare any expense to make this bike perform great. So we're gonna take it on the trails, and we're gonna have a lot of fun together. Okay guys, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.